Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's vlog, it's another collaboration, and yeah, it's a AIBOO, the perfect assistant on accent lighting for your home. You deserve it. So it's a lighting, it's LED lights to put in your in your house, but particularly in your kitchen you can put here. So right now I am here in my kitchen, and yeah, so we're gonna do an unboxing with this AIBOO lights for our kitchen. And so yeah, let's stay with me and bear with me because we're gonna unbox this AIBOO light accent lighting for your home. You deserved. So yeah, this is the box right here, and let's open it. This one, it's the name of the product again, it's AIBOO. So yeah, I'm gonna put on my description below for you to, if you would like this product, and it's pretty cool, and I'm pretty sure that you would love this product. So stay tuned and bear with me, and let's do the unboxing, and let's gonna try to put it on and how it looks like. And before that, let's unbox this one. Right here. So what's inside? It has, so this is how it looks like right here. So it has LED controller, peak output. So this is it. So this is what's all inside right here, and this is the plug. Yeah, you can just put it down like that. This is the plug right here, and yeah, this is the LED controller. So all here, so everything here. That's it. Another one. And it has a remote control. So this is the remote control. So this LED light you can change onto red one, green, yellow, white, violet, blue, and blue-green. So this is the control, power control. So yeah, it's here. This RGBD LED controller. So it has 22 dynamic modes, 20 static colors, very smooth effects, and speed adjustable, brightness adjustable, card type, RF remote. This is very card type, and ultra slim design, and it has dynamic demo mode, and it has easy remote pairing. So direct color select. So it has instruction here how to turn it on. It's very easy. So it has dynamic mode adjust, and 3 to 10 is dynamic speed adjust. So it's right here. So pretty cool. And yeah, so AIBOO focus on providing auxiliary lights for closets, cabinets, and your shelves, ceiling, anywhere your house is lacking light. So since our kitchen lights, I define it's pretty boring, so yeah, I'm gonna put this one and change into blue, because our lights right here, we have like dim light. So yeah, that's why I got this one right here. And yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, you can put this in your closet or your living room. That around this time I'm gonna put this one on my kitchen cabinets. So yeah, so that I have more lights, and to make it more fancy, or make it like homey, something like that, and like a part of a decoration as well. So the AIBOO LED under cabinet lighting. So I'm just gonna put it right there. I'm sorry about that. So yeah, it has power connection, power plug adapter. So it has power plug adapter and control types, remote control, and PRI infrared. So you can, connect it to your infrared, touch induction, switch and off, light color, warm 2, warm 3, white, and RGB4 and RGBWW4. So it's easy installations, receives surface mounted with adhesive tape or screw, and application kitchen. You can wardrobe, cupboard, and shelf or furniture. So yeah, this is safe to use and long lifespan. This is also energy saving, environmental friendly. So yeah, stay tuned and let's put this together. So you can see, you just plug this right here. See this one? Pretty cool. Love it. See? Amazing. So I'm gonna put right here, and it's gonna be liquid. They have this special kind of heavy duty tape to put on the lights. See, circle one, this one right here, and it's easy to put. Just put here at the back of the lights, and then stick right there, and it's voila. So guys, we're done installing with our AIBOO lighting cabinet lights. Here we go. This is how it looks like now in my kitchen, and it's very fancy kitchen lights, should I say. So yeah, I would rate it 100% for this light because it's easy to install and it's friendly, environmentally friendly, should I say, and it's energy saving as well with this LED AIBOO lighting. So yeah, this is it. So this one, where's the remote control? We can change lights, we can switch the color of these lights. So let's try how it looks. It has 1, 2, 3, it has 7 different kind of color of this LED AIBOO lights. So it has, this one is, I think this is the violet one. So that's the violet. Let's try the blue one. So that's the blue one. There you go. And let's try blue-green. That's blue-green right there. It looks amazing. And how about green one? Wow, looks nice, but it looks like very Christmas to me. Christmas, you know, color. So it looks good. That's white. Looks good as well. How about yellow? That's yellow right there. Amazing. So it has 2, 4. Yeah, it has 6. It has 6 lights, and there are circular shape of the lights right there. So yeah, amazing. I love it. So we're done with the yellow, and lastly the red one. That's red right there, and it looks good, looks amazing, and I love it so much. And now folks and everybody who is watching right now in my video, I would define my kitchen, and it looks brand new to me, and it's not boring at all. And yeah, it's like perfect assistant on accent lighting for my cabinet, and it's feel like home right now, and I deserve it. So yeah, that's the perfect assistance of an accent lighting for your home. You deserve it. And I deserve this light. And it looks good. Voila. And I love it so much. And thank you for watching. This has been your Erica. This has been your Erica Lifestyle. And if you haven't subscribed, please do me a favor. Hit the notification below and click like and comment and share. And thank you for watching, and see you in my next vlog. This has been Erica Lifestyle saying to you, stay safe and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.